everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a pastel soft lavender spring type of look. This is something that I already had in mind, and one of you guys had requested it on my Instagram page, and I of course wanted to do this bad. Now it is hard to find pastel shades, as you guys are well aware from my last tutorial, and again I do apologize for using limited edition products, but that's all that I really could find, these type of colors. But anyway, if you want to see how I got this look, just stay tuned. So to save time, this tutorial, I did most of my face, my bronzer. I did save the highlighter and the blush so you guys can see it with the lip product. But I did everything. I primed my eyes. And today we are doing a matte lavender look. I had already this in mind when I did my mint look, my mint and lavender, and then one of you guys requested it on Instagram when I asked you guys, so here I am. Now keep in mind, matte pastel colors are very hard to find in permanent collections, so I do apologize if what I'm using today is not permanent. It was limited edition, but I am on the hunt to find some pastel permanent shades where I can recommend them to you guys to use. But there are matte shadow crayon creams that you could use for your lids, things of that nature, if you can't find a matte shadow like I did. So I am first going to grab my Lilac Pro palette, and just for my base, just to have something, I'm gonna use a little bit of light pink as well as just a tad of mauve, just to kind of get something in my crease, because I am going to use that lavender shade all over my lid and into the transition. But first I want to just have something where it's going to be able to transition into it nicely. So I'm just going to put this in my crease, and then I'm going to show you the actual product that we're going to use for the whole entire basically look. Alright, so I did that. Now the color is super light, so you may not even be able to see it on camera, but it was just a very soft wash of it. I didn't want to have something super bright and bold because I want the lavender to take over it. So I'm going to use my Lilac Mega Pro 2. Last time I used the 4, this time I'm going to use the 2. Both of those were the cool tone ones, so we're going to continue with our cool tone. And the only color that I was able to find is this matte lavender shade right here. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is a matte lavender shade with a little bit of a hint of blue in it. So I'm going to pack this on my lid and then blow it out into my transition. I'm gonna go and grab this color in Sorbet. This is more of like a soft pinky peach type of color, and I'm just gonna blend it out ever so lightly into the crease. I'm gonna go in and intensify that lavender on my lid. Just gonna blend out the edges. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that lavender shade and put it on my lower lash line now, and make it very close to the lash line in here. I'm gonna go back into that Sorbet color and just blend out the bottom part as well. Now this is basically the entire eye look, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and tightline, do waterline with a black liner, do wing liner. I was debating on doing a dark purple, but I think I'm just going to stick to black and then use lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and do all that, and then we'll come back and finish the rest of the face. Alright, so now that we have officially finished our eyes, super simple. If you guys wanted to add glitter, you can add glitter. I added glitter to the last matte look, so I wanted this just to be a little bit more mattifying. I love the look how it came out. For my blush, I'm going to use a sample by Makeup Forever. This is in B302. It's like a soft peachy color. So this is the color I'm going to use today. I haven't tried it, but it looks like it'll look very nice and springy. So we're going to go ahead and place this. Now because we went all matte, I do want to have more of a highlighty type of look. So I recently picked up this Milani Rose Glow Stellar Highlighting Palette right here. And I'm going to use a mixture of these two right here, the two lightest shades out of here. And I'm going to go ahead and highlight. I have never used this, so I'm hoping this works. I'm also going to grab that specific one right here on the end. I don't even know if these have names. This is Pearl and Golden Quartz. But I'm going to grab Pearl and I'm going to put this in our inner corner since our whole matte, our eye look is all matte. For lips, I think I'm going to grab Sugarcane by Bite Beauty. It's like a cooler type of pink. So I'm going to try this out to hopefully see if this does work. Now for me, that's a little bit too bubblegummy pink, so I'm going to mix it in with Fig. So Fig's a little bit more of a deeper pink. So let's mix this up. It's definitely better, but still not quite, so I'm going to mix pepper. Just a little bit of pepper. Just to kind of, I know you don't really have to do this, but I didn't know which color to use, so we're just going to mix all three of these. So that is the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will list all the products that I use down in the description box. If you guys know of any matte pastel eyeshadows that are permanent to a collection, please let me know in the comment section because I would love to invest in those since it is harder to find those in my collection. I really don't have too many of those. So I would love to use those more often, but I don't want you guys to feel like you need to buy a full palette and buy an arm and a leg because it's not available anymore. So anyway, I will catch you guys in my next video, and don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys.